Massage therapist, are you making the big trying to do it all mistake that most massage therapists make? When I first started my massage practice, I struggled to attract enough clients to make ends meet. I still remember those late nights I spent worrying about bills, wondering if I'd ever be able to make this dream work. I felt so lost and alone, like I was doing everything right, but nothing was working. I tried everything: social media, discounts, grassroots marketing. I couldn't get any consistent bookings, no matter what I tried. I was constantly hustling, working long hours, and barely scraping by. Even worse, even after investing in expensive marketing courses and workshops, I was left feeling more overwhelmed and burnt out than ever. I bet you felt this way too. Of course, none of it worked because I was making the number one mistake most massage therapists make when trying to build a thriving practice. I just didn't know it at the time. Stick with me for the next few minutes and I'll share a little known and easy to fix mistake that I was making and that you're likely making too. It's the one thing that's keeping you from attracting ideal clients and creating a profitable massage business. But don't wait. This won't last long. My name's Julie Campbell. I have over 14 years of business experience. I've owned two successful businesses. I'm an LMT here in Oregon. I have my MBA. I'm a business coach, and I've helped thousands of massage therapists just like you find financial freedom and work-life balance without a huge budget or burning out. I struggled for years trying to create a successful massage business, but after fixing my big mistake, I was able to go from overwhelmed and underpaid to fully booked and financially free, and I even took my dream vacation. But trust me, I've had my fair share of obstacles and setbacks too, especially when I first started trying to get more clients without discounting. That's why I refuse to share any strategies that I haven't personally tried and that I don't personally know are effective, but also simple to do. That's my motto. It has to be practical and simple so that you can apply it. I get it. You're a passionate healer and you shouldn't need a PhD in marketing to figure out how to attract more clients. I know we all feel that way. But right now, because your current strategy isn't working, it does feel that way, right? When massage therapists come to me, I see the same mistake over and over again. And it's the same one that I made too when I first started my own practice. If you're not getting enough clients, you don't have financial security, and you're still trying to get to work-life balance, even though you're working really hard and providing amazing massages with awesome results, I can guarantee you're making the same mistake. Think about what got you so excited to start your massage career in the first place. You probably wanted to help people have a flexible schedule, financial freedom, be your own boss, and have more control over your time. You wanted to make a good living doing what you love and create a life of joy and abundance. But you probably didn't think about how hard it would be to market your services effectively and become a full-time business owner on top of being a service provider. In fact, that's one of the biggest challenges massage therapists face after deciding to start their own practice. But what most people don't realize is that when they're dreaming of a thriving practice and a fulfilling life, they're actually dreaming of having a solid marketing strategy. So, what happens when you first start trying to get more clients? You post on social media, you offer discounts, you might even try to run a few ads, and you might even get a few bookings. But in the back of your mind, you're thinking, this is absolutely exhausting. And is it really sustainable? And you begin to realize just how much time and energy you're spending without getting any real lasting results for your hard work. This takes time and energy away from your family, your self care, and even sometimes your passion for massage. You get frustrated, you start working longer hours, or even offering deeper discounts. But again, you just end up wasting more time and money without lasting results. Because even when you get a few new clients, they don't seem to stick around or refer their friends. And because you're spending so much time and energy and not getting the results you're looking for, some weeks you push yourself to the limit, only to end up burned out and not doing anything for weeks at a time. Sounds familiar, doesn't it? Trust me, you are not alone. I talk to dozens of massage therapists just like you every single day. You probably just think you need to spend more time and money on marketing and advertising, but in reality, that's the last thing you need to be doing. Why? Because no matter how much effort you put into random marketing tactics, it simply isn't going to be what you need to produce the consistent client flow that you're looking for. You'll end up feeling more frustrated and discouraged than ever, unless you draw a line in the sand and resolve to fix the big mistake once and for all. I'm about to let you in on a little known massage industry secret that I usually only share with my personal coaching clients. I usually charge for this, but this is so powerful. I don't want you to have to struggle for years. That's why I'm going to tell you it. I want you to finally start getting results with your massage business. So listen up. Before you even think about spending more money on ads or wasting hours on social media, the first thing you need to master is having a solid client attraction system. The biggest mistake most massage therapists make is just posting randomly on social media without having a clear strategy to make their marketing time effective. Without a simple step-by-step strategy for creating content, knowing who your ideal clients are, and reaching your ideal clients, you won't be able to fill your schedule and achieve financial freedom. So you're just going to keep spinning your wheels, wasting precious time and energy on marketing efforts that don't work. If you're lucky, you'll eventually figure out who to attract a consistent flow of clients, but even that could take months or even years of trial and error. But for most massage therapists, if you don't master the fundamentals of online marketing, you'll end up frustrated, overwhelmed, and stuck in a cycle of feast or famine bookings. Or worse, you'll give up on your dream of having a successful massage practice and go back to working for someone else, feeling underfulfilled and undervalued. But I do not want that for you. That's why I do the work that I do. I want you to feel confident in your marketing and attract your dream clients using a proven system that you can use to fill your schedule consistently. A step-by-step system just like the one that I used to help me build a thriving massage practice that I was later able to sell to the massage therapists that worked for me. I had a base of loyal clients who valued my work that actually still continue to reach out to me this day, even though I haven't done massage in quite some time. If you're a new massage therapist, you probably felt excited to start your own business, but now you're trying to attract clients. You realize it's harder than you thought. Or maybe you've been at this for a while and you've had some success with social media, referrals, or local advertising, but you're struggling still to get that consistent flow. Whether you're a brand new massage therapist or you're new to digital marketing, you can start creating compelling content and reaching the right people online. Then, when you consistently implement these strategies, you'll attract a steady stream of clients just like me. Here's how I want to help you attract your ideal clients and build a profitable massage practice so you can feel empowered, financially secure, and have more time for yourself. I've created a step-by-step program that you can easily start using in your massage business today and start attracting your favorite clients consistently. It's called Fill Your Massage Schedule Fast. This is the implementation toolkit to help you become fully booked with your ideal clients in just 30 days. With this implementation toolkit, you'll have a proven roadmap of the foundational practices that are guaranteed to boost your online visibility, generate more leads, and convert those leads into paying clients, all while avoiding the overwhelm of DIY marketing. You're probably already posting on social media or trying to figure out Google Ads, but with this program, you'll discover how to create content that actually converts by simply following my proven strategies and templates. I've combined my years of experience as a successful massage therapist and business coach with the latest marketing techniques to create a proven system that you can use to attract your ideal clients online. I'm so confident in this system that if you get my Fill Your Massage Schedule Fast implementation toolkit, take action, and don't see an increase in inquiries or bookings within 30 days, I'll refund you 100%, no questions asked. I can make such a bold guarantee because when I personally took these steps and applied them to my own massage business, I not only saw a significant increase in bookings, but also achieved financial freedom and created work-life balance. I was so happy within the first few months of finally finding this freedom that I really couldn't go back. Are you ready to ditch the overwhelm and build a profitable massage practice? Hundreds of other massage therapists are already using the steps in this mini course to attract their ideal clients, fill their schedules, and achieve financial success. And I want you to become my next glowing testimonial. So here's what I'm going to do. For a limited time, you can grab my Fill Your Massage Schedule Fast implementation toolkit for over 50% off. Normally, this system sells for $199.99, but when you click the button below and get your copy today, you can get it for just $24.99. And I even threw in some extra bonuses for you. This is the only time you will get this offer. Once you leave this page, the price is going to more than double. So go ahead and click on the button to discover the proven strategy to help you attract more clients, fill your schedule, and create a profitable massage practice. Or you can ignore this one-time offer and carry on your way, thinking you can figure it all out on your own. Hey, I'm a resourceful, driven, do-it-yourself kind of person too. But I can tell you, it takes more than just hard work and passion to build a successful massage business. And you don't have to do it the hard way. You need to master the fundamentals of online marketing. And the way you do that is through a step-by-step system that breaks down the process into manageable steps, which is exactly what I'm offering here. In this program, I not only give you the basics on how to attract your ideal clients, but I also show you how to get the past clients that haven't booked in a while to come back, create engaging social media content, and even leverage email marketing. Don't knock it till you try it. If you try to figure this all out on your own, who knows how long it's going to take you, because you'll keep feeling overwhelmed and frustrated without seeing results. I've seen too many talented massage therapists give up on their dreams because they didn't know how to market their businesses effectively. Don't be one of those massage therapists. Grab the toolkit now for over 50% off and learn the right way to attract more clients and build a thriving massage practice. You've already invested so much time and energy into your massage career. Click the button below, discover how to finally achieve the success that you deserve. But remember, this offer is only available for a short time. Once you leave this page, the price will more than double. Enroll now and unlock your potential. I'm looking forward to seeing you inside.